How to change the navigation bar menu. So if you want to change the navigation bar menu, then what you need to do is first open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down, go with the system option. Under system, you will have system navigation on the first. Tap on it, and here you will have 3-button navigation or the gesture navigation. So in my case, I will have gesture navigation, but if you want to change it to 3-button, then simply tap on 3-button. Or if you're having 3-button and if you want to change it to gesture, then you can go with gesture. And you can choose the order of the keys. And once you've chosen, now you can go back, and that's it. You're having the 3-button navigation. But if you want to change it to gesture navigation, then you can again go with your settings and go with system navigation and tap on gesture navigation, and your navigation has been changed. So that's how you can change the navigation bar menu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.